Welcome to another Vlogmas. Christmas is literally right around the corner and I still have yet to wrap my Christmas presents, so I thought it would be a lot of fun if I share that with you guys today. And I also wanted to kind of show you guys what I got everybody. This video is in no means trying to brag and show you guys like what I can afford. I don't want you guys to see my video and think what you guys got people is crap, because honestly I'm not the best gift giver and I'm also very cheap. Like, I like seeing my money in the bank, you know? But I think you guys trust and know me well enough to know that I would never try to brag or have bad intentions with any of my videos. So I'm gonna have to scooch back so you guys can actually see what I'm doing. I don't know whose gift I should start with first. Maybe I'll start with my mom's first, just because it's right beside me. And by the way, if any of my friends or family are watching this video, you are not allowed to watch past this point, because I swear to God, if any of you watch and know your presents before I give it to you, I'm gonna be pissed. Just click out of the video, watch it after Christmas, it'll still be here, it's not going anywhere. Just please don't spoil it, because I will literally be livid, okay? Okay. So I got my mom this really pretty cardigan. It's from Banana Republic Factory. They have some really good stuff, to be quite honest, and they actually have really good prices too. So it's like this kind of speckly fabric, and it's got this black lining down the arm at the front, and it's basically just this super cozy cardigan. It is so soft on the inside. And then I also got her this wallet phone case, because her phone case is literally falling apart. The other day she showed it to me and it's not even holding her phone anymore. Like, I don't know, the plastic bits have just completely broken off. So I got her a new one. It looks like this. It's just like your traditional wallet phone case. And yeah. It's by the brand Decoded. So that's what I got my mom. As for this video, I think I'll just show you guys what I got each individual, and in between each, I'll do like a little montage of me actually wrapping their gifts. So like I just showed you my mom's gift, now I'm gonna show you wrapping her gift, and then we'll move on. Get it? Got it? Good. Hit it with a montage. I just realized I didn't bring any rolls of wrapping paper. I only brought gift bags and tissue paper, so hang on a second. This is already such a failure of a video. I got the wrapping paper, and now my dog is here to just get in the middle of literally everything. Colby, stop twitching. Okay, can you move now? Okay. It's actually pretty. Am I gonna give you a present for Christmas? Are you gonna open a present? You don't know what present is. What's a present? You want a present? A present? Ow! I am actually so proud of myself for how well I am doing. Like, I'm not even kidding you guys. For the last, like, I don't know, as many Christmases as I can remember that I've been like getting my family presents and stuff, I literally buy a crap ton of bags and I stick everything in bags because I literally don't know how to wrap. Like, it doesn't really make sense to me what I'm doing. I'm just kind of folding and it's working, so present is done. Yay! I hope my mom loves it, because that was kind of a pain in the ass to wrap. Moving on, let's wrap Melissa's gift next. So I got her this really cute mug. It says World's Best Cat Mom, and it's got a little cat on the back, and I just thought it was so cute. She has a cat named Chloe. You guys have probably seen her on a couple of my vlogs. And I also got her a little goodie. I got her a gift card. I know a lot of people are very like about getting gift cards for Christmas, but I personally think they're awesome, and this one's just meaningful in my opinion. So I got her the Ultimate Dining card, which has so many different restaurants, and I thought that her and her boyfriend could go on a nice little date night, and like they have a lot of options to choose from. I think this one I'm actually gonna put in a bag, because honestly, how do you wrap a mug? This is so easy, by the way. I literally bought this at the dollar store, and you don't have to like wrap anything. This is just how it comes. You stick the gift card inside and it's so easy. So yeah, I gotta figure out how to wrap this. Ta-da! See how much easier that is than wrapping? Next I'm gonna do my dad's gift. So I got him a goodie from Fossil. So my dad's wallet is literally chewed up, like it looks like crap, and honestly it's gonna give at any point. So I got him a new wallet because I'm the best daughter in the world. It's just plain black. It's got like a little bit of engraved stuff, and it's just your typical guy wallet. And then I also got him something from Banana Republic Factory. I don't think you guys have ever seen my dad in any of my videos, but he has such pretty eyes. My brother and my dad have like the prettiest eyes, but my dad has like crystal blue eyes, and so whenever he wears shades of blue, it makes his eyes pop. But anyways, I just know he likes his color. Hello. So I got him this little sweater. It's just got like some buttons, and on the inside it is this super soft fleecy material. And the reason I got him this is because he loves his outdoor activities, especially in the winter. I care about my dad. I don't want him freezing his butt off. I mean, he does have his super warm clothes, but I just thought this would be really nice, especially if he's like working outside, or if he wants to wear this like snowmobiling. That is what I got my father, a new wallet and a sweater. I feel like that's a good gift, right? Look at those edges. Whew, they are clean. Yay! So now we have 3 gifts done. I just have my brother's to wrap, I have Justin's to wrap, and I have his niece's gift to wrap. But I need to go get more tape, so I'll be right back. Got the tape, and I'm now out of breath. So I think what I'm gonna do for the rest of this video, because honestly I didn't realize how long this would all take. He's always like at the very edge of the frame. Colby, what are you doing? Like I was saying before I got distracted by my dog's cuteness, I didn't realize how long that wrapping presents actually took, because like I told you guys, I always put everything in bags. So I think what I'm gonna do for the rest of this video, just so it's not like too lengthy, is I'll show you guys the presents I got Justin, my brother, and his niece, and then I'll just do like a huge montage where I wrap all of them. Let's show you what I got my brother. So I got him this sweater. It's from Winners, and it's really dope. It's like a Christmas sweater, but it's got Mario all over it. And then I will show you what I got Justin's niece next. I got Justin's niece this Elf in a Shelf game. I saw it and I thought it was so cute because at her house they do Elf in a Shelf. Elf on the Shelf. I don't know. I never did it. I don't know what it's called. Some people call it Father Christmas or just Christmas, and I don't know. To me, it's Elf on a Shelf, but it's this matching game, and she just started preschool this year, and this is for preschoolers. It literally says right there. So I just thought it would be really fun for her to play. And then Justin and I also got her a little outfit from Old Navy, which is so cute, but that's at Justin's house, so I can't show that. And last but not least, I'm showing you guys what I got Justin this year. Oh my god. I can't tell you guys how stressful it was trying to get Justin's gift, because he is one of these where he's like, I don't need anything, or if I need or want something, I will go out and buy it. Like, the man has everything. You see me getting stressed out, so you had to come comfort me? He is the sweetest. I love how much he's been in my Vlogmas videos. Why are you sniffing my earring? Oh, sorry. Oh, actually, before I show you guys what I got for Justin, I'm gonna show you guys what I got for Colby while he's distracted by that. Don't look over here. This is your present. Some people might think I'm crazy for getting a Christmas present for my dog, but I don't really care. It's really cute to me, and it's pretty sentimental for like me and my family. So it is this really cute little like ornament that you can make and put your dog's paw print in it. If you guys have been with my channel for the past year, you would know that my dog Chloe passed away in January, which I can't believe it's almost been 1 year. But when she passed away, we got her paw print in clay. And ever since we got that, I've always wanted Colby's paw print as well, just to have it. And on top of that, I've always wanted a tattoo of 2 dog prints on my ankle, like right here. But instead of getting just a generic paw print tattoo, I thought it would be way more special if I actually got Chloe's paw print and Colby's paw print. They have so much meaning in my life, and they've brought so much happiness to my life. This explanation is getting really sappy and emotional, and I'm sorry. But basically, I got this to be like a fun little cute gift, and then eventually I can get a tattoo artist to draw out both of my dog's paw prints, and I can eventually get it tattooed on my body. And then Justin's present. Another thing from Banana Republic Factory, I got him this really nice cardigan. You guys, my boyfriend looks so good in cardigans. I love it. So it's this really nice like cowl neck, oatmeal colored cardigan, and it's just really nice. Obviously it's like hard to show. It has like tortoiseshell buttons, which I know he'll like, and it's got pockets, and it's just like a really nice knit. And then I also got him a wallet as well. He was with me while I was shopping for my dad's wallet, and Justin was like, oh, you know, I could actually use a new wallet. And I was like, what? And so your girl got him a wallet. But I know that he really likes like the burgundy colored leather, so I got him just that. My dog is literally passing out on my thigh. So it's just super plain, super basic. Again, just like your typical men's wallet. I don't know how guys can have wallets like this, because they're tiny and you can't carry anything. But then I guess guys look at women's wallets and they're like, why do you need all of that? And then the last thing I got for Justin is this really cute little ornament. So this is our second Christmas together, which is really exciting. I thought this was so cute. I got this little frame ornament from Walmart, surprisingly. It's like really cute. And then I put a picture of Justin and I from last year. We went to the Toronto Christmas market together. Justin and I had a conversation, which I actually think is really cute, but he said whenever we move in together, he wants to get like, you know, the big traditional tree for the house or apartment, wherever we are living, but he wants to have like a tiny little tree as well and have more sentimental ornaments on that one. So, you know, like the kind of ornaments like first Christmas together. When that little baby tree comes one day, I thought this would be super cute to be kind of like the first ornament. It's like our first Christmas, and then the ornament is our second Christmas. I don't know. Colby, is this a good gift? Do you like it? There's a lot around me right now and it's like freaking me out, but I'm gonna go wrap everything right now, and I'll talk to you guys again when I'm doing the outro to this video. So that's it for today's Vlogmas. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you have all your Christmas shopping done and your wrapping done. I really hope you guys aren't doing it last minute because I know how stressful that is. If you enjoyed this video and if you're enjoying this series, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Become part of the fam. We accept everybody here. Remember that you're beautiful, you are loved, and you are uniquely you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!